Hello and welcome to the CAD source on Revit. After placing levels and grids, we need to start by placing walls, windows, and doors. Starting drafting from with the walls, go to the Architecture tab and select the wall. A Properties dialog box will appear on the left side of your screen. Here you can select the type of wall you want to create. For this tutorial, let's go with the basic wall. Now click and drag your mouse across the screen to draw the wall. Release the mouse button to finish the wall. You can adjust the length and angle of the wall in the Properties dialog box. After drafting walls, you can add doors and windows by just picking and putting them in the required position. Thank you for watching this tutorial.